Let's head to Caymanas Park, where a 6-1 shot, We Jammin, created a mild upset to land the 113th running of the Dacosta Jamaica 2-year-old stakes, going a mile for a purse of $2 million on the penultimate race day of 2025. This on Friday. It's the biggest race on the local calendar for native-bred 2-year-olds. Denise Walters has our racing review.
It was 4-5 favourite Salute the Don with Dane Dawkins aboard for trainer Gary Sobrati that set most of the fractions. However, We Jammin with a 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker in the saddle entered the battle, heading into the turn for home, leaving the rest of the field in his wake.
These two will turn for home at the top of the lane with Jammin on the outside. Salute the Don just in between horses. God's Plan racing down against the rail, and Fernando now wound up, but with Jammin quickens and snatches the lead. Inside now the final furlong. It is with Jammin they have to catch. Salute the Don, the favourite, making hard work of it. With Jammin out in front and holding on to that lead under Omar Walker. They're not going to catch with Jammin. With Jammin will win the Dacosta OD Jamaica 2-year-old stakes.
Conditioned by Peter John Passard, Chestnut Colt with Jammin won comfortably by 6 lengths in 1 minute 42 and 2/5.
Well, the trainer tell me for a patient race and don't use him up too early, because they're going to come from behind fast. So I just get a nice break and position him and roll him from there.
First thing I'd say, I'm sorry the owner, Mr. Lumsden, isn't here. He's been in racing for so long and waiting for a really good horse. And I know he was excited about this horse from the farm even before I was. Told him we had 2 paths we could go. I could go in a sprint race and win, or we'd shut him down for the year, or we'd take a chance and send him long and keep the options open for the 2-year-old stakes. And he was the one that asked me to give the horse a chance.
Meanwhile, 4-5 favourite Money Market obliged in capturing the Boxing Day sprint, an overnight allowance contest for 3-year-olds and up, going over 6.5 furlongs.
Down against the fence, but Money Market now with a surge has taken that lead. Supremacy will have to run him down, but it is Money Market beginning to slip away from them. A furlong to run, and it is Money Market opening up. Supremacy has no answers at the moment, neither Huntsman. It is a Money Market coming away under devastating Dane Dawkins. He has a double on the card. Supremacy is second.
One of 2 winners for the pair of Dawkins and Sobrati, 5-year-old bay horse Money Market, got home in 1 minute 20 flat by 2.5 lengths.
But we didn't do much with him, just keep him fit and sound, and came into the race with the same game plan like in the Bruce and the Loose sprint, just to sit out the pace and try and finish the race as strong as possible. He likes it that way. We found that out a couple of months ago, so we've been trying to school him that way. I think he runs better that way, and I think he can go a little bit longer as well.
Jockeys Devin Foster and Siobhan Townsend also rode a double. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.